us see sin A plus B proof. Okay, for this again we need a geometrical construction. Let me explain first this. ఒకసారి చూద్దామండి. Okay, first in xy plane take any point P, join P through origin OP, and from P draw a perpendicular on x-axis, that is PQ is perpendicular on x-axis, and here it is 90 degrees. Next, from point R, draw one more perpendicular on OP. Means here the angle is 90 degrees. Next, join OR. Now produce QP to S. Okay, and join RS, where RS is perpendicular to QS or SQ. So once again, from point P join OP, take a point P, join OP, and from P draw one perpendicular on x-axis, that is PQ. Name Q here. It is 90 degrees. Again from point R, draw one more perpendicular on OP and join OR, where angle OPR is 90 degrees. Produce QP to S and join RS, where RS is perpendicular to SQ or QS. Means here angle is 90 degrees. Here we have three right angle triangles, right? Let us say P in a triangle POQ, acute angle is A. Okay, right. Here the angle is, we know, 90 degrees. Then what about this angle? It is 90 minus A. Elago chuddam. Okay, from this triangle POQ, what we know? Angle sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That is angle OPQ plus angle POQ, definitely angle OPQ plus angle POQ plus angle Q equals to 180. Clear? Angle OPQ means this angle we don't know, plus angle OPY we taken as angle A, plus angle Q is 90 degrees. Okay, now angle OPQ equals to 180 plus 90, transpose it, minus 90 plus A minus A. So 180 minus 90 is 90 degrees, minus A is this angle. How much? 90 minus A. Okay, next, here again in this triangle this is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees, and up to here 90 minus A. Then what about this angle? Means from here to here it is a straight angle, angle QPS. Angle QPS equals to what we know? Straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degrees. Okay, angle QPS is nothing but angle QPO angle plus angle OPR angle plus angle RPS. Let me write here. Angle QPS is nothing but angle QPO plus angle OPR plus angle RPS equals to how much? 180. Straight angle. Angle QPS is nothing but straight angle. Angle QPO. Angle QPO is how much? 90 minus A. Already we have it. 90 minus A plus angle OPR. Angle OPR here, according to construction, we know the angle P means angle OPR is 90 degrees. Right here, 90 degrees. Plus angle RPS equals how much? 180. 90 plus 90, 180. Transpose it. 180 minus 180. 0 means get cancelled. Then finally, angle RPS equals how much you got? Minus a, transpose it. A means this angle is A. See, this angle is 90 degrees. 90 minus A plus 90 plus A is nothing but 90 degrees, 180 degrees, linear pair. Okay, here minus A plus A get cancelled means the complete angle on a straight angle is 180. Clear? Now, take separately one triangle, one right angle triangle from triangle POQ. From triangle POQ. From this triangle, find sin A ratio. Sin A ratio means opposite side to A means PQ over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OP means PQ by OP. That implies the length of PQ is, by doing cross multiplication, OP sin A. In the same way, find cos A ratio, where A is an acute. Okay, cos A ratio we know well, adjacent side to A over hypotenuse means OB. What is adjacent side to A? OQ, sorry, OQ over OB by OP. That implies the length of OQ equals to OP cos A. Okay, this triangle information is completed. Then go to next right angle triangle. What is that? POR. Next triangle. From triangle POR. From triangle POR. Again in this, find sin B ratio. Why it is not sin A ratio? Because in the triangle POR, the acute angle is B. So find sin ratio and cos ratio. Let me take sin ratio, where B is an acute. Okay, sin ratio we know that opposite side over hypotenuse. So what is opposite side to B? Means PR. You see only POR triangle. PR over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OR, which is opposite to right angle. Okay. So PR by OR is sin B ratio. From this, find PR length. The length of PR equals to OR sin B. In the same way, cos B ratio. Find cos B. Cos B ratio in this triangle, the adjacent to angle B is OP over hypotenuse OR means OP by OR. That implies the length of OP equals to OR cos B. Okay, this right angle triangle information also completed. Then go to one more right angle triangle is there, that is PRS or PSR, whatever it is. One more right angle triangle where RS is perpendicular to PS means here it is 90 degrees. So triangle PRS is the right angle triangle. Take that right angle triangle from triangle RS, PR, PSR, whatever it is. Okay. In this triangle, what is an acute angle here? Again, A. Okay. So take sin ratio and cos ratio. Sin A. In this triangle, sin A ratio is the side opposite to A means RS over hypotenuse. RP is hypotenuse because the RP is opposite to 90 degrees. So don't confuse. RP is hypotenuse and RS is opposite to A. Opposite to A is RS or SR by hypotenuse is PR, right? Okay, then the length of RS equals to PR sin A. In the same way, cos A also. Cos A ratio. Here it is in this triangle. Adjacent side to A. Adjacent side to A means PS. Adjacent side to A, PS. Over hypotenuse means PS by PR. That implies the length of PS equals to PR cos A. PR cos A. PR cos A. Now this triangle information also completed. What we need sin and cos ratios from this triangle. Where A is acute, sin A and cos A ratios we got. In the same way, from this triangle where B is an acute, sin B and sin B and cos B values we got. In the same way, in this triangle, sin A and cos A values also we got it. That's it. Now what we have to prove? Sin A plus B. Now we are ready to take LHS. Now we are ready to prove sin A plus B. Take LHS. What is that? Sin A plus B. Sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B means opposite. Where is A plus B? This complete angle is A plus B. So sin A plus B. Opposite side to A plus B. Where is another right angle? Where is A plus B is acute? Means we have to draw one more construction in this figure. Means draw RT, which is perpendicular to QS, which is parallel to QS. Means RT length is equals to QS length. Okay, so here TQ length is equals to RS. TQ length is equals to sin A plus B. So here ROT is another right angle triangle. Okay, so where A plus B is an acute, the side opposite to A plus B is RT or hypotenuse, means it is perpendicular. RT is perpendicular to OX or X-axis. Okay, so the same ratio is RT over OR. Okay. In next step, RT length is equals to, we can write as SQ length. RT length is equals to SQ by OR. SQ is nothing but SP plus PQ. Sum of this length plus this length is nothing but SQ. So let me write this one as SP plus PQ by OR. Okay, SP means, where is SP? Here it is. So instead of SP you can write as PR cos A. Here write PR cos A plus PQ. Where is PQ? Here it is. PQ is nothing but OP sin A. Substitute. Instead of PQ, substitute OP sin A. Because PQ length is OP sin A. Over OR. Means you can split the LCM to both terms by OR or OR, right? This can be written as, can we write like this, PR by OR into cos A plus OP by OR sin A. Okay, PR by OR, where is the ratio? PR by OR, where it is? Here it is. PR by OR. PR by OR is nothing but sin B into cos A plus OP by OR. Where is the ratio of OP by OR? Here it is. Which is nothing but cos B. Substitute cos B into sin A. That's it. Hence prove RHS. Sin of A plus B is nothing but sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B is nothing but sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this is sin A plus B proof. Thank you.